One way that we're taking care of things around here is we're doing a little small fire here, and so I've got that going on, a little fire, and then also got another project in the works as well. We had some winds come in and pine needles were everywhere.
Yeah.
So
it was stinky.
It was stinky?
Yeah. I took the lock inside and I was sitting down and relaxing, like when the ghosts came over like yesterday.
Yeah, we had some guests over, so we put together this little pit, and we made these nice little, they hold the smaller wood, the kindling, so we made these. Wife saw them on Pinterest, and they're just 2x4 sticking in the 2 cinder blocks. Works great, keeps everything off of the ground and away from all the, keeps the bugs out and stuff like that, because they're everywhere right now. All those stink bugs are just nasty.
Yeah, and also sometimes they come in our house.
Yes, they'll come in the house. We have to catch them. So we've been piling up and cleaning up around the property and this immediate area we were in, because these pine needles can get pretty slippery too, so I don't want anybody to take a spill. And so we had our neighbors over. Kids were jumping on the trampoline, and we were able to just get rid of some of these nasty pine needles. That, and also we were able to, my wife was off, so she was able to help me with this next project that I'm standing in front of. Check it out. Here's the carport. It's 18 by 20, and it took a little while for us to get on a little roll, but we once we did, things went pretty smoothly. We got it done pretty quick, actually. The thing about these is,
you see all that smoke?
yeah, there's a lot of smoke, huh, buddy?
Yeah, it's going all around.
So we put one of these arches together, my wife and I, and then we wanted to put it on the ground posts, and it didn't fit. So we were like trying to muscle it, and that was just the wrong way to go. So later on, we just figured to pre-fit these little angles, because they stop about right here and then they have a straight piece. So we put these in. I hammered out any bends that needed to be taken out, and they fit in smoothly before we put everything together, and then finally put them on the ground posts here. Once you do all that, you have to drive in. They gave you some like 3-foot long stakes that go in the ground. There's several holes throughout these ground post holders. They purposely send this first part so you can get this going first, and then they send the sheet metal later on. So that's going to be coming this week, the sheet metal that goes over the top. So we have time to build this and then go back to the sheet metal later on. And it works well, because gave us a little time. So I'm just going to keep adding some more of these pine needles to this fire. It's just a little fire. We're really limited right now on how big a fire we can have right now. So 3 foot wide is the biggest we can do at this point. And so we're just going to go by the rules and just add little by little. And the fire was still, I just stoked it a little bit and it fired right back up. So I'll just keep doing that maybe for the next few days, and should be fine. I also got the chains on this tractor, so I got to cinch them up a little bit better. These are used from another tractor, but at least I got them on and they will fit, and pretty happy about that. So we should be set. I just need to do the chimney sweep and then finish that roof, the stairs on the patio cover, and the roof sheets, the metal sheets, and we're going to be good to go. And all I have to do is collect some more wood, and that's it. Hope you guys like this content. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.